Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be drafting a thick pieces hair, and I'll be taking you through a very simple way to draft it. So the first thing we need to do is to draft our basic skirt. So this is like another class on how to draft a basic skirt. So follow me. So after getting from my point of origin, I'll be measuring 10 cm and 20 cm for my upper and lower. Okay. So the next thing to measure is the length of the sketch. So I'll be working with the length of this paper. The length of this paper is 34.5 inches. So I'll just be working with the length of the paper just for the tutorial sake. So the next thing we need to do is now to so I'll be measuring the dash line out. So which is 10 cm standard. And I will connect. So this is a panel form. Yeah. So for that, 1.5 cm, 1.5 cm, and connect, basically connecting. So the next thing to do is to measure our waist and our hip measurement. So my hip measurement is 20.1 cm, and my hip measurement is 23.6 cm. So I'll be transferring this measurement down. Yeah, so now my straight line. So after drafting the next thing now to do is on the skirt length, you go out by 5 to 10 cm. So for me, I'll be working with, depending on how much fabric you have. So I'll be going out by 10 cm. I'll be going out by 8 cm. So depending on the amount of fabric you have, I'll be going in by 1.5 cm. I'll be going in by 2 cm, depending on the size of the person. So I'll be connecting from here to this place and back to my lower hip, just like this. So I'll be connecting to this place. Here. Mom, let go. Come on, yeah. Yeah, so this is what I'll be having. So on the dash line also here, I'll be measuring 1.5 cm on both sides. So you can see what I'm doing. I'll be measuring 1.5 cm on both sides. Then connect to my upper hip. So after measuring my dart, so I'll be connecting from this place to the edge of my skirt length here. From here to this place. Just watch me as I do it. And I'll be connecting this to this place as well. That's what I need. Mm, yeah. So this is what we are having. So I hope you understand. So from this point, I connect to the skirt length here. From this 1.5 cm, I connect to the skirt length here. So the next thing we need to do is to take our 1.5 cm dart, disconnect. So I'll be showing you how to cut this out also because it's kind of complicated for beginners. Yeah. So this is it. So the next thing I need to do is to, so this is our center front and center back. This is our side front and side back. So I'll be cutting in, I'll cut two and this one in twos also. So I'll show you how to, I'll trace this out for you and show you how to go about it. So this is basically all for a 6 pieces skirt. So I'll be tracing out the pattern. I've added extra paper on that. So I'll be tracing it out. So I just need to add um some stuffs on it so it won't, the paper won't shift. So the thing is, I'll be cutting out both side fronts and I mean center front and center back together, and the center front is just coming like this. The side front and the side back is coming like this. So the only difference between the center front and the side front is the zipper. So I'm going to show you how to like trace this out. So I'm tracing out my center front and center back first. So I'm going like this, come down to my hip, that side. So go down straight. And this. Can you see? Yeah. But so I'm tracing with the zig that's out. I'm tracing with the zig that's then I'm tracing the front. So I was tracing this place out so I can notch. I'll be able to know where my hip is. Oh, so so this is the length of the I need to fix this place out because that's the length. So that's basically all for the side, center front and the center. So I added my seam allowances where necessary. So this is my side front and side back. So that means I'll be cutting this pattern 2 times. Then this is my center front. This is my center front and center back. This is the zip part. So that means I'll be cutting this also too. I'll be cutting one for center front. I'll be cutting one for center back. But for the center front, I'll be closing up this zip part. Yeah. Then for the, if I want to cut the back, then I'll release it. So I'm going to cut it out and show you. So this is basically all. So if I want to cut on fabric, I'll be cutting this pattern 2 times, one for the front and one for the back. For the front, I'll be closing up this zip part. I'll be closing it up like this. I'll be closing it up like this. So this is what I'll use for my center front because I've closed up this zip part. So if I want to cut for the center back, I'll open up this zip part and cut. Then also for the side front and side back, I'll be cutting these also too. I'll cut one for the side front and I'll also cut one for the side back. So this is basically all for your 6 pieces. So I would show you how to cut this and how this looks like in what's called in sewing. So thank you.